The first move is called a push-in. That's where you fly straight towards your subject. On the controller, you're just pushing the right stick forward and holding it. Record for a few seconds before and after you think you got the shot, and don't adjust mid-shot. The second move is the pull out. This one is the reverse. You're flying straight back to reveal context. On the controller, pull the right stick down, and you can even add a little bit of up on the left stick to raise the drone. Watch for obstacles behind it. The third move is the rise or the fall. You're pointing the camera straight down, and to rise, push the left stick up, or to fall, pull the left stick down. To add some spice, you can push the left stick slightly left or right. That adds a little yaw spin as you move. Here's a bonus move that you didn't ask for, the orbit. This is where you circle your subject, keeping it centered in the frame. To do it manually, push the right stick sideways, either left or right, and at the same time, push the left stick in the opposite direction. That yaws the drone back toward the subject. It takes practice to balance both sticks. You can also see if your drone has an orbit or point of interest mode to do this automatically. But you want to practice this move until you become comfortable. But be careful with this. Some drones do not have side sensors, so you can crash into things. Here's a pro tip. Keep it simple and slow. That's how you get smooth footage. These 4 moves make up around 80 to 90% of my shots. Master these and your footage will look smooth and cinematic. But if you want to fly fast, check out this video on FPV drones.